Hello, writing a review about my BEZIA, B-E-Z-I-A cookware I ordered for having a kitchen remodeled, and just opened my cookware, and you can see how not perfect or not well this is. It's wonky, and you can see the lid will not fit because the lid, it's not a circle. Also, the small saucepan is the same way. You can see that it's wonky. Put the lid on it, and you can see right here it does not fit. It's too late for me to return these items because I did just open them because I'm having a kitchen remodel. But this is the review for this cookware. I thank you very much.
This is the new pot that I bought. Supposed to be induction compatible, and it's not connecting with my stove. Very disappointing. When I got the pots, I put them on the stove and I thought everything was fine.
Este es el casito que me salió todo chueco. Si lo pueden ver, ni la tapadera le queda. Miren. Miren cómo está. Todo chueco, no sé qué pasó allí, pero está todo chueco. ¿Ok?